Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In this video I'm gonna show you how to clean your USB charging port on your Oppo F21 Pro 5G device. So firstly, I have to tell you that if you don't want to damage your USB charging port, damage your moisture protection, don't use metal objects to clean the connector on your device. I suggest use an old toothbrush or any plastic or wood object to clean your USB charging port. I suggest use old toothbrush which you no longer use, and let's start. So firstly, take the cover off and take the brush in your hand. As you can see, in my charging port I have something that's preventing the charging cable from going all the way into the connector, and now we are going to try to clear it. So insert the one part of the brush in your USB port and try to pry the dirt out. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.